Hey, you know it's your boy Henry back with another video. And as what I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here, we are do it. So today we are get some breakfast, some Jamaican breakfast. Like a easy breakfast. If you are Jamaican, you are Jamaican, you must know the breakfast. I start off with some tin mackerel. People that say tin mackerel, or some people that say dirty girl. You see me? So we are get right in the video. Show how we do some simple little breakfast. Tin mackerel. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. So as you can see, we got our tin mackerel. And we are there with some grace tin mackerel now. As a youth growing up, this is like a must-have dish. It's a simple dish. Everybody know about this. Tin mackerel, dirty girl, whatever you want to call it. But first, we get with tomato, we dice up with tomato, we get with onion and tin mackerel. Cook with a lot of pepper. So, cut up a pepper, natural season as you can see. Then, stir fry it in another pot. Or just watch what I do, as I see my dice up the tomato and things. So, this go as breakfast, this go as lunch, this go as dinner. Jamaica, tin mackerel go as anything. You see me? Tin mackerel nice with fried dumpling. Boiled dumpling, yeah, banana. You see me? So, tin mackerel is a nice dish. I suppose onion and things. So, right now, as I can see, we don't cut up sweet pepper, that's that. Yeah. Remember, folks, the aisle of well hot. Yeah, man, the aisle gotta be lit, bruh. Yeah. So, we have a dirty girl and season behind it. This is the pot where we are working right now. See, we are pour oil in the pot. The flame, keep the flame, get the oil well hot. So, alright. What I'm gonna do right now is after I get the oil hot, I'm gonna saute, I season them. I'm gonna take out like say quarter it, garnish back. Use and garnish back over the tin mackerel and finish cook it up. So oil hot now we pour in, we are saute. Yeah, cause one day the season crunchy, we don't want it cook out too much, so yeah, stir fry same way. Then after we are gonna pour in our mackerel another pot. You have some folks like when the bone take out of the mackerel, so you can do it which way. Bone in, bone out. And you have it on there. So you see what I'm tell about. I'm gonna use garnish it after I finish. So you finish cook up, see you finish product there, you chew out and then you garnish. So as I tell you, it's an easy dish. Tin mac. Yeah man people, as I see it's a quick and fast dish. So anyways, you can check in back for more dishes like this from your boy Henry. Remember, click the subscribe button.